Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to make $100 a day using this copy and paste system that I'm going to show you. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how you can make $100 a day using this copy and paste system. So how we're going to do this is with affiliate marketing, but don't click off this video right now because I'm going to explain why it's copy and paste and how you can actually do this. So affiliate marketing, if you're unaware, it's just like if you had a friend and you get them to buy a product and you get paid for it. That's basically how it goes. So you have a product that you really like, maybe it's your fridge, and you say you can buy it over there, and that shop is very happy to have them buy it and that you promoted it to them, so they give you a commission. That's basically what it is, and that is for online. So it's not like recommending to a friend, it's recommending to your audience or something along these lines. So like every possible thing that you can think of on the internet has an affiliate system. Like Amazon is the biggest one, but every shop out there, Apple has one, Sephora has one, you name it. Like Target has one if you're in the United States, which most of my audience is. You could get like any shop that you can think of, any service that you can think of, they probably have an affiliate program. So what it is basically you get a link and you get a commission if somebody buys from you. So one of the great things is the .com secret book. If I can't speak, that's alright, stay with me here. So the .com secret book is a book made by Russell Brunson, who actually made ClickFunnels. So it's basically you have to go to ClickFunnels and buy it, like get the link, and it's absolutely a free book. Like your audience doesn't even have to pay anything. It's just like you get that free book and that's it. If somebody wants to buy it, and you get $1 for something that's 100% free, but it gets even better than that. You could actually get it for 900. There's upsells all over because ClickFunnels knows how to do upsells, and you could actually get paid $967 if people buy the upsells. And ClickFunnels are extremely good at getting people to get the upsells. So if you promote that to your audience, to anybody, they get the free book. It's 100% free and you get $1 like in the worst case, but in the best case you get $967. So that's like a huge amount of money for something that's free basically. Like you don't have to put any more work. All you do is you sell that book. Now keep in mind, I don't even use ClickFunnels, but like this is like, if you're a beginner and you're just trying to promote it and people buy it, like you could get quite a lot of money just by promoting that book. So there's a ton of other services that you could do, like ClickBank and all these things. And personally I use Builderall because Builderall I believe is like the best platform ever, like better than ClickFunnels. Like especially because of the price, but also because you don't have to add all these plugins and stuff. But if you want to make $967 very easily, or I shouldn't say very easily because you might not get a sale, but if you do, it's quite simple just by promoting a free book. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.